Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on November 8 inaugurates the new Siju C&Rd block in South Garo Hills, fulfilling the long-cherished dreams of the people in that area of the state. Dedicating the C&Rd block to the people of Siju, the Chief Minister said that establishment of the block in Siju is a befitting tribute to Captain Williamson A. Sangma, the founding Chief Minister of Meghalaya who hailed from Siju. Captain Sangma had great love and concern for the tribal hill people who led the movement for the creation of a state we can proudly call home. Today we are celebrating the golden jubilee of our state, and it is a historic and apt occasion that we are celebrating the Siju C&Rd block in its native place, the Chief Minister said. It is imperative that we lay down the vision and roadmap to see the Meghalaya we want in the next 50 years, he added. A crowd of over 3,000 people attended the historic moments at Siju, while Chief Minister, accompanied by Deputy Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Timothy D. Shira, MLAs Rakam Sangma, Marcus Marak, Jim Sangma, Rupert Momin, and Chief Executive Member of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, unveiled the plaque that marked the establishment of new C&Rd block. During his visit to Siju, the Chief Minister also handed over Focus Plus cards to the beneficiaries and handed over checks to women-led self-help groups and amount of Rs 28 lakhs under Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society. He also distributed piglets under the Rural Backyard Piggery and Poultry Scheme Progress. 1,392 piglets were distributed to 348 farmers and 2,500 broiler birds were distributed to 50 poultry farmers. A funds of Rs 1 lakh was distributed through Yes Meghalaya program for youth development. He also inaugurated the Collective Marketing Center of the Ganja or IVCS in Siju, funded under the Meghalaya Livelihood Access to Market project. This is one of the best performing IVCS in the state. He also inaugurated the cold storage unit provision to them. This will aid the farmers to save their perishable produce and prevent wastage and losses.
Siju ni mandirang, bangaya district ni mandirang, rasong cabe. Captain Sangmanis kam na Chief Minister ngem, wasumoy rasong cabe cadengengon. Siju ni mandirang, haida uni, plak madrang maharirang, plak bakderang, magkisek, magroni magchirang nge, haida wasumoyo, wasal ko dalo gisagratengin. Banga magba pagabarang zazok, wasalo ni kirkabarang. Di ba dalo yatsa song ni didrang na? Ya sumoy ni mandirang na? Meghalaya adopt ni Chief Minister Dr. Sir Conrad Sangma ya basis at bongan ni zamano ya Siju aro atong chizola nunging parang na cha song na gisagra kham china aro cha song na dedrang su drang na patcha ni japang china ya
chingani angin diba ya program manchako ba ya series of program ko chingatak na anga bachingunin anga Siju ni iko abachinga timang Siju na singa bloko o chingin nga abachingunin Emily na banga uchakaha uniga mananga na men kusyo nga mijaw ha kuruk bonga tariko chingari mana chanchiachim debana simang sa kanchinan masya dengtang wedarang namjania sel chingawa sumayo wa program ko ngatna manja diba dengtang mancangan ko pay sol ko changsataya nga matela kusyo nga menada alat chingnayan mega pa salang ko biya at sinaw na aruya na men long pending demand ba long pending issue ko talo at sing sukat na manani gaman anga na men kusyo ka aro chang satay na simang sa kanchi kon ya programo na ribay ya programo bakor anina anga na simang sa kanchi ko chang satay anga gitsika tong magsiya nga matela aro at singi plug MLA aro leader ng ko ba ya programo bakor anina anga na men kusyo nga aron emilirang ko ba nga tentang mancha anga matila ska.
Don't go upstairs, don't go upstairs. Then we'll block everybody.